Chapter 2 The Fall. Vasco da Gama's arrival at Calicut in 1498 was not a trade visit. When the Zamorin refused to give Portugal exclusive trading rights that would have destroyed his Arab and Indian commercial partners, da Gama ordered his fleet to capture an Arab pilgrim ship returning from Mecca with 400 people on board and burn it with everyone inside. This was a declaration of intent. Portugal used military force to seize control of the sea lanes. The Dutch followed, establishing an even more brutal monopoly. The Dutch East India Company uprooted spice trees on islands it didn't control. It massacred local populations that traded with competitors. It enforced scarcity by force to keep European prices high. When India became independent in 1947, the spice sector was large in volume but structurally primitive. No cold chains, no processing infrastructure, no brands, no investment in research. Over 90% of cultivation was on plots under 2 hectares, smallholder farmers with no bargaining power, forced to sell to intermediaries at whatever price was offered. Chapter 3 The Awakening. Economic liberalization was the trigger. The removal of export licensing, foreign exchange reforms, and the opening of the economy created new incentives for organized spice processing. Companies like Synthite, AVT Natural, and Concord began investing in extraction technology, turning raw pepper into oleoresins, raw turmeric into standardized curcumin extracts, raw cardamom into essential oils. The government has also stepped in with serious institutional support. The Spice Scheme, worth over 400 crore rupees, is funding 8 crop-specific spices parks across India, from Guntur in Andhra Pradesh to Puddi in Kerala to Jodhpur in Rajasthan. These parks provide shared infrastructure, cleaning lines, grinding facilities, extraction units, quality labs, that small farmers and processors couldn't afford alone. And crucially, India is now producing 75 of the 109 spice varieties recognized globally. Over 40% of world spice production. The largest producer, the largest consumer, and the largest exporter on earth.
Click the link in the pinned comments to watch the full video. Click the link in the pinned comments to watch the full video.